Dito po yung aming i-present ko na lang sa inyo yung findings namin. Okay, kami po ng minority. Hindi ko na banggitin siguro kasi baka mahaba-haba kung banggitin yung members of the minority. Consisting of yours truly and Senator Rizal Ontiveros. Okay, number one. There is clear, actual, indubitable, and undeniable existing sugar shortage, which is dangerous if insufficiently and/or inadequately addressed. Number two, Executive Secretary Victor D. Rodriguez is not entirely blameless in the so-called fiasco behind Sugar Order Number 4. And number three, the series of actions of Undersecretary Sebastian, Administrator Serafica, board members Beltran and Valderrama had overwhelming badges of good faith. And the number four, the recommendation of the majority to initiate administrative and criminal charges against the four and to issue a lookout bulletin are lacking factual and legal basis. And then, of course, we ended our committee report with some recommendations. Yes, I turn the mic now to Senator Rizal.